Alright, so the battery went dead. I only have one, it's a Harbor Freight, so it's charging. And watching some Dustin Williams. You know, if you know me, I've always been a Nissan fan, so anything that has to do with Skyline, I'm gonna watch it because that's my dream car. Did find a bunch of screws and washers, but this one was like this style, so it'll work. And then I found these ones with the nylon in there to lock it in. I can only find 8 of them, and the other 4 I found here are just regular nuts. So it is what it is. It'll get the job done. But for now, I'm gonna barbecue some meat while this charges, because I need to eat. I haven't eaten yet, and my sugar level's getting low. So I made this little can to drill holes in it, and then just light it in here and let the charcoal, you know, get white, and then pull the can up, let all the charcoal fall, and good to go. Alright, so all done eating. I changed my clothes because I smelled like smoke from the barbecue. So already pre-drilled the holes, so we're good to go. Just gotta line it up and bolt it, and pretty much we'll be done. So let me go and handle that real quick, and I'll show you guys. My back is killing me, so I know I need to charge the battery in my back. So I'm gonna just show you guys what it'll look like. These are the brackets that basically it's probably gonna sit in closer somewhere, so I gotta add 6 more holes to this. But basically these hook on to the brackets I already have in the engine bay, so I can take on and off the diffuser or splitter whenever I want. So basically it's clamping down, holding the plate Oh, that was strange. So I was editing the video and was missing some footage. I'm not sure what happened, but to finish off what video I had, yeah, so these basically sitting closer, I believe, because this came from, I think, the newer Civics or either an Integra, and my wheelbase is like really closer to, it's like almost to there, but they're wider. So, but yeah, so this is basically a pin to lock it in. Once this is bolt on, you basically can slide the splitter into the engine bay or underneath the engine bay to where it directs all the air into the grill and all that good diffuser stuff. So yeah, I'm getting tired. I need to charge my battery. But yes, almost done. I still need to, like I said, drill more holes here so I can get it prepped for bolting on. I got to add my rods that go from here onto the bumper, and I'm thinking I might doing something to stiffen the sides as well. So I don't know yet, but I'm kind of have an idea what I'm going to do. So yeah, so that's what it looks like. Let me give you guys some light. So there you go. It's nice and solid. So it's very strong in the middle now, just from this and being sandwiched together. So it's very sturdy in the middle, but because of this sides, I can still feel flimsy here. But like I said, nothing's put on yet. I'm not sure because when I put the lip on, it does clear right here. And so this will be just the front of the lip onto the Civic. And there was a gap. I believe it was like this much. So I have to figure out how to adjust the gapping to make it fit flush. So like I said, it's made for another car. I'm just trying to make it fit mine. So these have some, some style and look and purpose when I do time attack. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm about to go and hook up to my battery charger and lay down and call it a day. So I'm just waiting on the mail, but nothing yet. And my buddy Jose had a blown out tire on his XB Scion. So I have a 4x100 wheel for him. So with tires, so he can just throw that on until he gets a wheel replacement. But yep, just waiting for him to come by so I can give him the wheel. And then while I'm waiting, I'm going to go ahead and hook up to my battery and lay down and get my charge so I'm good to go for the next 4 days. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in another day. I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing. I still got to do tune up and oil change, so maybe I'll do that. But I'll post up another video just checking in on my stepmom and my dad, and so I've been a little busy. So I'll see you guys in the next channel. I got a text message. So, alright guys, peace. Like, comment, subscribe.